Okay, this is the solution to the PYQT5 GUI client controlling the RGB LED, and let's see it in action. Just a few additions. On the server side, I am using the LED matrix to display the IP of the server, because when the Arduino is not connected to the USB port, um, I need to know the assigned IP somehow. So I thought I could write it on the LED matrix. Let's see if that works. And I will demonstrate that in the when I show the Arduino running. For now, let's see the serial monitor is going to connect to the local network, to the Wi-Fi. Okay, that works. And here we have the client, the UDP client. I just tried to tidy up things a little bit. So I have a lot of def functions, but basically these are the event handlers when buttons are clicked, or toggle buttons are clicked, and then I placed the common code in this generic, a little bit more generic functions, but it's not perfect because I'm using this global variable color. I don't know how to pass custom parameters to the event handlers of the PYQT5. So I thought, okay, I have a global color variable, and then um, I set it in different. I set the different values depending on the button that was clicked, or the toggle button, and then I call push button clicked or toggle LED, and here I'm using color to set things up, and the the code that sends data over to the server and waits for a response from the server is also in its own def sent to server. This is the same code, so I tried not to copy and paste it over and over. And here set data is just a small function that translates the color from red, green, blue strings to the RGB values separated by colons, so that this is sent to the server. So let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. And here it is. For the moment, we will just see the console output, but later I will demonstrate it in the Arduino video. So this is it. The server got 25500 and blink. When I click the blink buttons, I send 4 pieces of data separated by colons. Otherwise, it is just 3, just the RGB values. And blink green, blink blue. Okay, and here it is the response from the server. It's just the acknowledgement that the server got this command. Toggle red. Okay, here it is. The server receives just the RGB values without the blink. And toggle green, toggle blue. It works nicely. The only problem is that these 3 toggle buttons must be in a group. I'm not sure if that's correct either. I think they could be in a group so that when one of them is toggled, but then you don't toggle it off, but you toggle another one instead. Let's say you click toggle blue, toggle red stays toggled. I think there must be some kind of group so that this doesn't happen, but it's okay for such a demo project. Other than that, everything works fine. Very interesting project. Thank you very much. Hope you like it.